Uh, Myself, Umashankar. I am representing a company, Gessmann Controllers Limited. About our company, it's 100% owned by Gessmann Germany. In fact, it is a 95 years old company which is located at Langerton, Germany. So we are into basically industrial grade joysticks and controllers for various applications like railways, cranes, marine application, electro-hydraulics, and different verticals. So we primarily cater to mining, minerals, bulk metal handling, again steel plants, railways, offshore, oil and gas, marine, and much more. Our products like the joystick controllers are used in, for example, for driving a rail vehicle, like it's traction and braking controllers, or if you take earth moving equipment, excavator or compactor, where you can use it for steering your vehicle or moving forward, backward, different actuation applications. So we have like n number of different users by using our products.